Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. To all the hip hop lovers out there, we are back with another hip hop reaction, and it's none other than Helak. So Helak has dropped a song called Cool from his own channel, and we are excited because before this we had reacted on Raja, and that was a great song, banger. And post that we reacted on Thorat, Helak, and Gully. That was Bombay. So yeah, guys. So we are excited because whenever Helax comes out with a song, so there is some kind of excitement within both of us. So we have reacted on multiple number of times on his song. So we are excited, guys. How about you guys?
Yeah, and I think this is slightly a different that we are getting to see because most of the time we could see him coming with his track from Bantai Records. So this time it's from his own channel, right? And it says Khoon, like what Sailesh
Khoon is a dangerous word,
said.
guys.
Yeah, we are quite excited as well to react on this, and I see that music has been produced by Fern Jason. Yeah, so that what is going to interest me most of the time. Okay.
So yeah, guys, so without further ado, let's get into the reaction. But before that, if somebody is jumped to the channel for the first time, subscribe kar do bhai. Do consider subscribing if you like what we are doing. Watch till the end. We will give our review. We'll try to take a pause because you guys wanted that, and we have changed our style. So we'll try and pause and catch some bars if there are any, right? So that's a disclaimer. Par chalo, let's get into the reaction.
Oh, guys, yeah.
Relax for you guys. Okay, cool.
Shot.
Shot. Okay, it's a shot.
देख जरा बैक टू बैक हिट तेरा जब छोटे तू जाके ब्रेक लेना देख लेना कच्चा निकल जाऊंगा जैसे ये रैपर हो बैग मेरा हिट तेरा तू घर पे बैठ के मेरी
Okay, guys.
Did you listen to the music?
I love the start, man. It's a direct shot. And कच्चा निकल जाऊंगा जैसे ये पेग मेरा, man. So देखते रहे. So let's listen again, man.
शॉट
Okay.
देख जरा बैक टू बैक हिट तेरा जब छोटे
Okay,
तू
back to
जाके
back
ब्रेक
hit
लेना
तेरा.
देख लेना कच्चा निकल जाऊंगा जैसे ये रैपर हो बैग मेरा हिट
Okay.
तेरा तू घर पे बैठ के मेडिल करके कैश नहीं तो चेक ले रहा बचकाना बोल रहा था नाम ले जो ले लिया गिरफ्तार भी कर डाला पिंकी पे हार माला पिंकी के अब्बा को भर डाला लड़की लोग
Okay, guys. So I think it's clear. It's a diss, and it's to Krishna because he's talking Pinky. So we know what people call him metaphorically. So again, I'm not saying it's good or bad, but he is told that it's a direct diss to Krishna, and I don't know why, but we will see. We will listen, man. I think there is a story behind this. And he also brought in an angle of Giraftar, and that's a song of Emiway, right? When he had a beef with Raftar. Too many angles coming, guys. Let's watch.
So let's listen.
Yeah.
कैश नहीं तो चेक ले रहा बचकाना बोल रहा था नाम ले जो ले लिया गिरफ्तार भी कर डाला पिंकी पे हार माला पिंकी के अब्बा को भर डाला लड़की लोग वीडियो में दिखा रही छमिया असली में शूट के बाद अंकित के साथ करी सुन में ये मुंह काला दूसरा मुंह पर का बम्बई का गू खाना थूकने की आदत है इसको ये पहले से दूसरा था लड़ पे और फिर मुंह में लेता था इसका ही गाना बजा के मैं मूर्ता था पिंकी इस फक खून ही खून है फूल समझे खुद को तो लूनी टून है वीडियो में विलन पर सच में गूढ़ है ये मोगली का जंगल घूम है कर रहा रूल में यू वांट टू फॉलो कोलिंग का फ्लो मेरा ज्वाला मैं तेरी चाहे तू बने मेरा साला और नाम ले गाना है एक साल पुराना तो सम्मत जलाला यकीन करे चेकमेट एक गाना मेरा करे किल तेरी मिक्सर हल्ला को डिस्कर फिर करने का रिग्रेट नीडेड द स्मोक जला रहा मैं सिगरेट ले रहा मैं ओवर तो पहले बॉल पे विकेट वीडियो को छोड़ इसकी जिंदगी है क्लिक बेट हल्ला बाय बस हो गया कौन सी फक से मौतली की तेरी बच्ची नाम लेके अब तक खून जंग का ऐलान हुआ सोचा जो भिड़ने की खून शांति मंगल डाला हल्ला जब चार्ज हुआ खून हल्ला तक दे डाला बीफ रैपर समझा गया खून जानती हम तब करना चाहता है हर्षाना लेवल से नाता है इनका पुराना फिर भी नहीं तूने है कुछ भी उखाड़ा पुराना जमाना न जाने तू कौन पहचाना तू जब से रफ्तार का हिला रहा
Oh shit, man.
Oh my
This
God,
is.
the way he's spitting the bars is.
And the switch of the flow is good, man. So I don't know about the story behind it, and nothing to be personal and comment about it, but the flow switch is like killer. And here again he's taken beef, direct this, saying that he's again looking up to Raftar and whatever that word
But I
is,
feel
right?
that recently there hasn't been any beef, right, between.
Yeah, yeah. So I think we'll try and get to the roots, but
Let's see.
so far the flow is good. Again, he's taken a dig that you look up to Raftar or Tuska, whatever, right? Parvai, I think brilliant, man. The flow is good, the bars are good, the beat switch is good till now, and we'll see, man, what happens. Chalo.
लग तक दे डाला बीफ रैपर समझा गया खून 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 जानती हम तब कहना जाता है हर्षाना लेवल से नाता है इनका पुराना
Okay, label.
फिर भी नहीं तूने है कुछ भी उखाड़ा पुराना जमाना न जाने तू कौन पहचाना तू जब से रफ्तार का हिलारा दिखाना जो अक्कल उड़ाल अपनी गान में ट्रैक कर रिबन टैग को गाना डाल रहे डर के
Okay.
ये बीफ को है पीछे भाग रहे और लिखने नहीं हो रहा है तो माफी मांग ले घर ले करियर और उम्र की बात इनके उम्र से ज्यादा उड़ाला में गाने ये मालिक और नौकर का रिश्ता बता दे जो खुद अपने मालिक का रोजा मरवा दे ये बचकानी बातों को छोड़ पिंकी तू हिप हॉप की इकलौती होल मरवा के सबसे बढ़ गया होल फिर भी नहीं मानी शिया
That was too direct.
Again, this is something to direct. Pinky to hip hop ki horde, right? So again, we can take it in a different way, but you will not get a diss more direct than this, man. 2022, I think this is the biggest diss that has happened, started, and we will talk about it. Again, not saying he's right, wrong, but let's listen, man. What else is coming?
उड़ाला में गाने ये मालिक और नौकर का रिश्ता बता दे जो खुद अपने मालिक का रोजा मरवा दे ये बचकानी बातों को छोड़ पिंकी तू हिप हॉप की इकलौती होल मरवा के सबसे बढ़ गया होल फिर भी नहीं मानी शी आस्किंग फॉर मोर पापी 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 छूलो खुद ही चाहते हाथ से खूनो बनना जी इन्हें दिखते फूलो काउंटर स्ट्राइक है ये खेल रहे लूडो दिन आते हैं इनके है अपना दौर ह्यू यंग का फेन से बट मुंह में चोट ये व्यूज है बढ़ाते लगा के बॉट्स इनके खानदानी पेशा है कर रहा फ्रॉड द ड्राइव दैट आई वेंट थ्रू यू मे नेवर सी इंडिपेंडेंट सीन यू ain't got a liberty dollar sign this time gonna face
I have
poverty
to
pure
stop
gangster
here,
shit
man.
all they do is fear me
I think that's a beautiful bar again. The time that Helak has gone through, Krishna might not have seen because he has again struggled, right? So everybody does that. I don't know about even Krishna has done that, but he's basically saying that Krishna deals with a dollar side, so maybe he's born with a silver platter, right? So I think that's the reference here. Again, I'm not saying it, guys, so don't hold me accountable, but it's coming from the song and I'm just trying to decode whatever is happening because you guys wanted it, right, to pause and talk about it. Here you go. It could be a little longer. Come on.
इन्हें दिखते फूलो काउंटर स्ट्राइक है ये खेल रहे लूडो दिन आते हैं इनके है अपना दौर ह्यू यंग का फेन से बट मुंह में चोट ये व्यूज है बढ़ाते लगा के बॉट्स इनके खानदानी पेशा है कर रहा फ्रॉड द ड्राइव दैट आई वेंट थ्रू यू मे नेवर सी इंडिपेंडेंट सीन यू ain't got a liberty dollar sign this time gonna face poverty pure gangster shit all they do is fear me HELLAC made them sick with the track and they got no remedy
Got the remedy. Okay.
बोले चुप लौड़ी
Okay.
ये है तेरा पूरा ड्रीम तू है जैसे मेलेडी
Okay.
इतना चोकोलेटा क्यों है तू बजता खोटा खोटा क्यों है और गांड तेरी मारता मोटा क्यों है जो डिश डाला उस पे रोता क्यों है
That I don't know. That I don't know.
दिखता चूत क्यों है तू दम है पटेली करता क्यों है और हर बार कॉपी करता क्यों है और हेट कर पैसे भरते क्यों है
Okay.
हेट कर पैसे
Nasty,
भरता क्यों है
nasty.
और हेट कर पैसे भरता क्यों है
Oh my God, this is so brutal, man.
मामो बेटे को तो भेज डर गए क्या खून जंग का ऐलान हुआ सोचा जो भिड़ने की खून 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 शांति मंगल डाला लग जब
Background
खून
score.
खून खून हलक तक दे डाला बीफ रैपर समझा गया खून 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 जानती हम टपकाना जाता है हर्षाना खून जंग का ऐलान हुआ सोचा जो भिड़ने की खून 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 शांति मंगल डाला लग जब चार्ज हुआ खून 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 हलक तक दे डाला बीफ रैपर समझा गया खून 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 जानती हम टपकाना जाता है हर्षाना
Oh God, shit, man. Getting crazy, guy. Phew, man. What do we say, man? This is brutal, nasty, and I think again 2022. Welcome to the beef season. this is happening, man. This is true this. No filters, right? And yeah, guys. So we will try and talk about whatever we couldn't grasp. So watch till the end, and we will be honest, man. We will try and be honest with what we say, right, Timber?
Yes, people.
Hi, Sab, man. That was a brutal, nasty diss from Helak, and it was directed to Krishna. But I know, so the season is on, right? So welcome 2022. So we are going to see some crazy shit happening this year in terms of hip hop, and this could eventually started from the tweet that Emiway had done about I'm the biggest artist in the world, and then Krishna had some reservation to what Emiway said, and Emiway again took it to the Instagram and posted something a little finicky about intending Krishna, again not a direct thing, and then we saw Krishna reverting back saying that I know of 2% who is still the best in the game, and then Emiway came back saying that 2022 is going to be a different year and we will try and give it back to people, right? So I think that was the premise, and then we see a diss from Helak, and Helak being Helak, he is one of the diss king. So this was brutally done, no filters, right? No lies, no cap, right? But what were some of the good points and bad points? We will try and talk about it. Before that, let's move to Dimple. Dimple, what did you think about it?
I was kind of lost listening to you actually. Okay. Yeah, what I found is now today, after listening to this track, I find that Helak is the king of direct diss, okay? Because from the time we have heard him singing the track Naam Le Le Ab Tak, right? This is like really directness which is coming from him, and I think this is good as well, because you're just filtering off all those manipulations and just being direct, right? So this is a very good characteristics of one, I would say. Generally it applies to everybody, okay? And having said that, listening to the music, it was like really awesome. It took me to the memories of playing Unravel. I think this is the game that we actually played in PS4, okay? And no need to talk about it. That particular music by Fern Jackson is similar to Unravel. Hats off, I just loved it. And oh bhai sahab, that diss, I don't know what to say, man. This is exactly what he said, the beef going on with Emiway and of course Krishna, right? So that was so direct. I think there should not be any explanation on this because it's so simple to be understood, right?
Yeah.
So it's a kind of retaliation, right? You say something and you will definitely get back, right? So could be that, because that's my personal opinion.
What do you have to say about Krishna? Because you like Krishna as well.
Yeah, we have been reacting on him as well because that's what we do, right? We are sitting here to react on every fantastic, super rap artist that we have been reacting on, right? And we are going to still react on, okay? So there's no hatred to anybody, yeah?
Absolutely.
We just love Helak as well and various other artists, yeah. And I think this is going to be a really huge thing now going on. It's going to be very hot because I think this is going to be getting a beef between BKP and Awam. I feel that. What do you say, Sailesh?
Could be, guys. So again, everything aside, right? So whatever Helak talked in his song, we don't know what is the reality in it, right? So again, nothing to put anybody down. From a song this point of view, it was good. Helak did great, like he's a good artist. Now whatever they talked about Krishna, is it true? I don't know. We both don't know.
Yeah.
And we don't want to comment on that. So can
Exactly.
Krishna come back with a better diss? He can, of course. He's one of the legendary artists, right? So he could come back, but will he? We don't know. But on the hearing this song, I think these are a few of the observations. I think the music was good. The flow was one of the best. Beat switch that happened, excellent. And story, I don't know, right? So there was a lot of claims that was made about Naam Le Le I did and you didn't respond to me. you called yourself to be cool, but you are a Looney Tune fool, or a Looney Tune is a cartoon, right? So you are just making a cartoon of yourself. And there was one more thing that I'm just contemplating. I'm not so basically he talked about dollar sign, right? So you're born with something special, but I had to do this struggle. So I think that was some kind of vengeance that was hidden in Helak's mind, and he spurt it out. No, nothing wrong in that, right? So and then he also told that I have dissed you so many times last year. It was Namlile, you never came back to me. So I do deals, right, in cash, but you are still taking check, right? So I think that those were some of the references that was used, some of the hidden thing that was talked in this song. Now will Krishna come back? I don't know. Should he come back? It's his call. But did we like this song? From a diss point of view, yes. From a truth narrative point of view, maybe we don't know, because I have not seen all this happening. We have not seen that happening, right? So again, Helak Krishna, respected artist, MUA, one of the legends, Krishna legend, Raftaar, and I think there was a reference about Raftaar as well, right? So Krishna still looking up to Raftaar. So that was again nasty, but it happens, and that's how this culture is. So overall, great song, great thorough enjoyment, guys. Just enjoy, have fun, that's it, right? Don't think too much, don't break your head, don't fight between each other, and don't hate us for our opinions,
exactly.
right?
Yeah, that's what people.
Yeah, so we are just being honest, guys. So no hate to anybody. We love Krishna, we love Helak, we love MUA, we love everybody who does hip hop, and that's why we are here to react. But truth, it's truth, right? So once we hear a song, we have to reveal what is happening. So with that, if somebody is new to the channel, do subscribe, or else just watch our video and don't subscribe, up to you. But we are loving what is happening. So take care, guys, stay safe, bye bye.
Bye.